Time now for the ITV News in the Channel Islands with Jess Dillon and Claire Burton.
Hello, welcome to ITV News. The headlines on Channel this evening. Almost 3,000 Jersey homes fail to meet minimum standards. Now tenants call for greater protection.
The reality is that if you've got 1 in 4 or 1 in 5 properties here in Jersey which is failing to meet the minimum standards that government introduced, that inspection is the way forward.
But landlords say more red tape is not the answer.
On the programme, tributes to businessman and founder member of the Guernsey Party, Rick Lowe, who has died after a long illness.
Plus, the new tutoring scheme set to help school pupils who missed out during lockdown.
And promoting island life, the entrepreneur who says he's on course to bring 100 new residents to Sark. Good evening.